right, guys, this is the moment you all have been waiting for as we announce our winner. Guys, we would like to say first thank you to everyone who supported our channel down through the years. Without you, none of this would be possible. So, guys, even if you just share, like, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell, you are still part of our family. Even if you just viewed our content for the first time, we want to say thank you, thank you, thank you. And before we announce the winner, we just want to say you still have time to actually be a part of our special giveaway, because at the end of March we will announce another winner once we reach another 100 subscribers, guys. That's right. Once we reach another 100 subscribers, all you got to do is tell us who sent you to our channel, and you will be a part of our random pick. That's all you got to do. But without further ado, we would like to say congratulations to Back to Our Roots Homestead. You are our winner. All you got to do is send us your address to our email address, and we will send you your special giveaway. Now, I have your special giveaway right here in my hand, but that's not the only thing that you will receive. You're going to receive another special seed that we will send you. We're not going to tell you what that seed is, because it's a special surprise, something that we love and we cherish, guys. And so we want to say thank you to everyone. You still have opportunity, and congratulations to Back to Our Roots Homestead. Until next time, peace.